That's not Gloria? No, wait, no. Para que me respeten! I have done great movies that I love. Do you even know how smart I am in Spanish? That one is very easy. That's Modern Family. Gloria. Do you even know how smart I am in Spanish? I missed everything from the actors to the scripts that were so well written. The whole show, the whole 11 years, I missed all of it. The craft service was really good too. You know, as an actress, to be able to land a role as amazing in a show that people loved all over the world, like 80 countries, whatever. It was not only kids or adults, it was just whole families that were so happy to see us and had so many laughs with Gloria and the rest of the cast. In my country, when a man gets down on one knee, it's because he either wants to get married or he's been shot. Sometimes it's been because of both. It's Gloria too. That's not Gloria? Oh my god, I play the same characters. Is this, I don't know, is this Titi? Are you sure it's not Gloria? It's a movie. The Three Stooges? Okay, what is it? Yes. Oh my god. With that director Gary Marshall, I mean, that was an amazing project for me. My country, when a man gets down on one knee, is because he either wants to get married or he's been shot. I was talking to one Joey. All my friends from Colombia went crazy because, you know, that was our love. I'll pay you $830,000 for a job that won't take you more than 10 minutes. That is Titi. No, wait, no. That is the woman from... What is her name? The Smurfs. No, the Three Stooges. I'll pay you $830,000 for a job that won't take you more than 10 minutes. It was such an amazing type of comedy, and it was so groundbreaking at the time. It was spectacular, of course. It was a remake, but the cast was so amazing, the directors, was a great script. It was so much fun, and it was, one of my first movies, so it was like really, really exciting for me to be on a real big movie set. I am one of the first female serial killers. I am going to be here until I die. It's Titi. It's Medea goes to jail. I'm one of the first female serial killers. I'm going to be here till I die. That was super fun. I got the script and I really didn't understand how to make that character funny because she was a serial killer. We had to do a table read for the first time. And I'm like, I don't know what I want to do with this role. And it hit me like 2 days before that she needed to be like very childish and very innocent. And I said, I'm just gonna read it like that to see what Tyler Perry thinks. And he was like, this perfect. He was one of the first ones to, give me the opportunity to do movies. So that was great for me to be part of one of those movies for minorities. A whole black and Latin cast, amazing. And he's so creative and he's so hands-on. I think he even did my makeup. No, almost. The fear of failure is a fabulous motivator. I have no clue. The Smurfs? What was my name at the Smurfs? Oh, deal! The fear of failure is a fabulous motivator. Gargamel was one of my favorite characters of the Smurfs because he was the bad guy. So it was a lot of fun to play that character. I want to say we shot in Paris, some of it, and in New York, which is amazing.